Today, we're cracking open the hood of the 1955 Chevy Bel Air, the car that reshaped American roads. Let's explore why the 1955 Chevy Bel Air remains the gold standard of 1950s engineering. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air made history with Chevrolet's first V8 in 37 years, the 265 cubic inch turbofire. This compact powerhouse delivered 162 horsepower, 180 horsepower with the Plus Power package, outperforming Ford's flathead V8 while weighing 100 pounds less. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air's engine featured a short-stroke design, overhead valves, and a 12-volt electrical system. A first for GM. Drivers could pair it with a 3-speed manual or the smooth Powerglide automatic, making the Bel Air both a drag strip darling and a daily driver. By 1955, over 44% of buyers opted for the V8, cementing its status as America's performance bargain. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air didn't just drive differently, it looked revolutionary. Its Motoramic styling boasted a Ferrari-inspired egg crate grille, sweeping windshield, and jet-age tailfins. The Bel Air's 115-inch wheelbase and 8-inch ground clearance enabled agile handling, while its two-tone paint schemes, like surf green India ivory, turned gas stations into catwalks. Inside, the 1955 Chevy Bel Air offered Frigidaire air conditioning and power windows, luxuries unheard of in budget cars. Chevy didn't just bolt a V8 into the 1955 Bel Air, they re-engineered everything. The new glide ride suspension combined coil springs, ball-jointed control arms, and tubeless tires to tame rough roads. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air's widened frame and lower center of gravity reduced body roll, while the open drive shaft improved efficiency. European reviewers praised its car-like ride, a rare compliment for 1950s American cars. For truckers turned commuters, the Bel Air proved muscle cars could be family-friendly. The 1955 Chevy Bel Air wasn't a one-hit wonder. It launched the iconic Tri-5 series, 1955 to 57. Over 1.7 million Chevrolets sold in 1955 alone, with the Bel Air claiming 44% of the low-price market. Today, Hagerty values a pristine 1955 Chevy Bel Air Fi8 at $78,000. Proof that good engineering never ages. From American Graffiti to Better Call Saul, this classic remains Hollywood's favorite symbol of rebellion.